So, what's your name and what is your major?
My name is Charlotte Sanders, and I am a dual degree in chemistry and classics.
And how long are you going to be in Glasgow?
I am in Glasgow for the academic year.
So, what is the best thing about Glasgow?
The best thing about Glasgow is definitely getting to take classes in the main campus, which is like a Harry Potter building.
So, where are we standing right now?
Right now we're standing in the cloisters, which is a part of the main building.
So, where are you living?
I am living in Thurso Street, which is one of the student accommodations.
So, can you tell all the UF students where you've gone so far and some of the cool things you've done while at Glasgow?
So, I've been to the city center, which is really cool. Buchanan Street has a lot of different shops and coffee shops, which is a lot of fun. I've been out of the country twice. I've been to Split, Croatia, and I've been to Italy for Reading Week, which is basically fall break. And then I did a tour of the Highlands. I went to a couple different walks and got to see several of the mountains, which was really, really pretty.
So, tell us about the weather. Oh, we have noise here. Hold on a sec. All right. Now, tell us about the weather.
The weather is mostly rainy and cloudy. There hasn't been much sun here, but it's also actually really cool and aesthetic once you get used to it. It's very cold, which is very different from Florida. I'm wearing 3 layers right now, and it's only the beginning of November.
So, what advice would you give UF students about going abroad?
I would say don't stress too much about choosing your courses, especially the semester before you go abroad, because those courses might not even be offered. But the drop ad here is for 2 weeks, and I was put into a class after drop ad, so just kind of go with the flow and make sure your advisors are back home or know what's going on. Yeah.
So, should students go for a semester or academic year?
Go for an academic year, especially if there are housing issues, so you can be guaranteed accommodations, but also just because the transition period is a bit longer than you would expect, so I think it's more helpful to go because for an academic year, because then you can get past transition year and actually start to feel like you're living in the city.
Anything else you want to tell all those UF students?
Oh, that's too open-ended. You can get free bus travel if you're under 21, I think, for all of Scotland. So if you come here to Scotland, definitely do that so you can travel throughout Scotland for free.